Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Kristyanah. I want to use this opportunity to tell you that the Asia Hair Factory tour has already started. So if you have not joined, now is the best time for you to join, because right now I'm in the Philippines and I've been scooping out good factories here. I've been scooping out good factories and collectors. I've been getting good deals on hair. Presently, all the factories in Vietnam are out of stock for long lengths of hair. They don't even have 16, they don't have 18, they don't have 9, they don't have 20, they don't have 22, they don't have, up to 30. It's actually not available. But with the help of the collectors, I've been able to get like 26, 28, 30 inches of double drawn hair, natural double drawn hair. I'll be putting a picture of it here. And it has been a very good journey so far. It is not too late for you to join, because these collectors are not going to be on sale, are not going to be on vendors votes. It's not going to be on sale at all. It's strictly for those who join. It is strictly for those who join this store. And this long length of hair is what people usually wait 3 to 4 months before they get. You have to wait like 3 to 4 months before you can get it when you're ordering from factory. As a matter of fact, currently I have a case with the police, because one of my clients ordered long lengths of hair from this particular factory since March of this year, March 2025, and this is October. She didn't deliver the hair, she didn't make a refund. She insisted on the lady taking short length of hair. Meanwhile, she placed order for the long length. That is how hard it is for these vendors, for people to get long lengths of hair in Philippines from Philippine factories. So if you are thinking of starting your business next year, because I know by January people will be my DM, do you have collectors contact for Philippines? It is not going to be on sale. Join this virtual tour. The link to join is going to be in the description box of this video. You don't want to miss it. Now is the time for you to get collectors from Philippines, from Vietnam, from Indonesia, from Cambodia. We are doing 5 different countries, which you do not want to miss. Okay, so I'm not set to give you that quick update. I'll be leaving Philippines in a couple of days. You want to join just so that I can take you around the vendors and the collectors places. You can see them one-on-one and you have their contacts as well. Yeah, it is not too late to do that. We got about 3 donors the day I made this video, so I decided to add the clips here. Here is the first person. Her hair is thin, but it's very fine. It has a very fine texture, and you can see the cutting skill of my collector. It's second to none. Very elite. This is the second client seated on the green chair. She has a full double drawn hair that is thick from top to bottom. This particular kind of hair is quite expensive here if you're getting it from the collector, but the single drawn are quite cheap because it has short strands. If you cannot afford to join the tour, you can as well join the wholesale group, whichever works for you. My Instagram will be in the description box of this video. You can just click and reach out to me. You can join the wholesale group or join the virtual tour as fast as possible, just so I can take you around all of this process while I'm staying in the Philippines. But if you don't mind skipping Philippines and join for other ones too, you can as well do that. And yes, the cutting skill, like I said, doesn't chop off the entire hair of the donor, but just the long strands. And I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao.